Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing good in your life. So in today's video, I'm going to share my best of 2017. I have narrowed it down to a few products that I have truly enjoyed and loved to use in 2017. Some of these products actually even swept me off my feet, so I loved them so much. I could not believe for the life of me that I love that product so much. And I do these yearly favorites every year. I've been doing these for the past 2 years. This year I'm a little late in putting out this video because I've just been unwell and I'm still not 100% alright, but I'm okay enough to get ready, throw on some makeup and shoot a video. So that's what we're going to be doing today, and without further ado, let's start. Alright, so for primer, I have the one primer that literally when I used it I went OMG, and I truly love this primer and I'm going to keep buying it till the time it exists, and it is the BECCA BACKLIGHT priming filter, and that is what this looks like. Now this particular primer is a luminous primer. Not only is it amazing in terms of making the makeup last, the makeup stays put like it was just applied even at the end of the day, but the glow this primer gives is at a whole other level. And honestly, you don't even need to wear makeup to use this primer. I would recommend to use this primer even with your moisturizer. If you're not a makeup person, you just wear moisturizer or something like that, you can totally mix this primer with that moisturizer and it'll give you a very nice luminosity, a very healthy glow to your face. Sometimes, you know, our skin looks very dull and it's sort of dead and as if it doesn't have any life in it. This primer helps to bring back that life into the dead face. However, if you are an oily person, I would shy away from it. But if you're a dry skin, to even a combination skin like I have, I use half a pump of this primer, because if you use a lot of it, it will be a whole lot of glow and we don't want that. That will look very unflattering. So for the perfect glow, if you have a combi skin, just use half a pump and you're done. And if you have a dry skin, use one pump and look at the glow your face has. Now for the foundation, I have another foundation that is full of glow, full of luminosity, and you might have already guessed, it is the LA Pro Coverage High Definition Illuminating Foundation. So I have this foundation in two different shades. This is nude beige and I have the one in warm beige as well. Absolutely love this foundation. It gives a good coverage. It gives a very nice illuminating glow to the skin. It is long wearing and it does not look cakey or it doesn't look overdone. It gives a very natural, flawless finish to the skin. And I did mention in one of my videos that the warm beige does oxidize. I haven't noticed any oxidizing really with this one, so I'm not sure what's going on here. And if you mix these two together, this combination is like the bomb. You know, this combination will give you the glow of the gods, literally. Then we come to the eyeshadow palette. Or eyeshadows. Now there was this just one eyeshadow palette that I felt was really amazing and stunning in 2017 that I have loved and used a lot, and it is the Neutrals versus Neutrals Revolution palette. Neutrals versus Neutrals. So I've already done a tutorial using this palette and this is how the palette looks like. Honestly, I have loved this palette a lot. I have used it throughout the year in 2017. The colors are very nice. The eyeshadows blend really smoothly and you can create different looks with this palette, from neutrals to little smoky looks and stuff like that. So you can do a lot of things with this palette. The eyeshadows don't have any fallout as such, and they are easy to blend and they are very smooth consistency eyeshadows. So this palette has definitely gotten a lot of love from me in 2017. Now in compacts and stuff like that, I didn't find anything that was over the top interesting, or that's something that impressed me so much to include it in 2017, so we're gonna skip that. Now we're gonna come to the eye kohl. So this is the PLUM Nature Studio all day wear eye kohl, and this is the one that I picked up only last year. I don't know why, but this is an amazing eye kohl. It looks like this. This is how it looks, and it is really nice and creamy and literally very dark, and you can literally go like this without tugging your eye, without holding your eye, and it'll give you a really nice smoked out look. Intense dark eyes is what you know, this kajal gives. So I absolutely loved this one. After my Kajal Magique, If there is an eye kohl that I have really loved, it is the PLUM Nature Studio, and I have it in the brown shade as well. So I loved it so much that I picked up the black as well as the brown when they launched their color eye kohls. So in eyes, this mascara is amazing. I haven't really seen any other mascara do wonders like this guy does, and this is a Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. Again, amazing mascara. Now you guys know I don't wear false lashes that often, even off camera, on camera. Like today I have popped them on because I just wanted a little bit, I don't have any eyeliner, so wanted a little bit drama. I have popped them on, and I don't think I've done a very good job. But off camera also, like in my personal life, I'm not so much of a false lash person, so I need a mascara that can actually give really nice effect to the lashes, and this is what it does. You cannot go wrong with this mascara. I love this one to death. After my Volume Million Lashes mascara by L'Oreal, this one is definitely, it's way cheaper than that one, and I think this may be a tad bit better also. Okay, so I have two products for the face. So in concealers, this is a concealer that I have loved to wear, or in fact that I thought I should have bought a long time back, and it is the MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC35. This is a concealer that I think I bought it only last year, and it is amazing. This is what the concealer looks like. It comes in a small pot, and that's the shade NC35. This is a full coverage concealer. It blends so well, and it hides your spots like nobody's business. So most of the times I will use only this concealer and a compact, and I'm done and dusted. But if I really want a full coverage sort of a face, I use this with a good foundation, with like LA foundation or any other foundation, and I'm done. No flaws can be visible through this concealer, so absolutely love this one. I think it's one of the better concealers in the market. The only thing is, because it is in the cream form, you have to go like this, so you have to keep your fingers sanitary, but otherwise it's a very, very good concealer. I highly recommend you try this Studio Finish concealer if you want something that is full coverage and does not crease as much. There was one highlighter that actually I have loved in 2017, and it is the PAC Baked Highlighters, and in particular number 4 is the one that I have truly loved. This is how the PAC Baked Highlighter in 04 looks like. Such a stunning highlighter. You can see the swatch. It is such a gorgeous highlighter, and you just, the glow, the shine it gives is so surreal. I have loved the PAC Baked Highlighters in general. They have done a very good job. So there were no blushes or no liquid liners or other like stuff, which contour powders or something that I have like really loved and that should feature in 2017. So we'll skip all of that and we move to the lips. Now 2017, as I have noticed on myself, has been a year of brown lipsticks for me. I have loved and enjoyed wearing brown lipsticks throughout the year, and I feel that I'm addicted to brown lipsticks these days, and that addiction will continue for a very long time, as what I'm seeing. But two lipstick colors that actually I have loved the most are this one. So one is the Kat Von D Lolita, which I bought from Europe, and ever since I got it, it's been 6 months now. I've used it so many times. In fact, I regret not getting a backup of this in my from US. And amazing neutral brown color. You may think you may have colors like this one, but no, this one is amazing. And then the next one is by MAC. This is called Topped with Brandy, and this is also a lipstick color that I have loved in 2017. Now they both look like, literally they look similar, but this one is a little darker, and in my recent few videos, if you have seen a dark brown lipstick, it's mostly topped with Brandy. Loved this formula. It's very long lasting, and it's not as drying. I mean, in the sense it is drying, but I literally put a very heavy moisturizer before I wear this, and so it doesn't dry as much if you have a very heavy moisturization on your lips. This Kat Von D Lolita, this one doesn't dry at all. Like, it's totally non-drying formula. At least I didn't find myself very uncomfortable wearing this, and the color is amazing. So I've loved these two. Now this next product is definitely, I swear by this product, and I've mentioned it before, my skincare is not over without it. And yes, this is not makeup, this is skincare. And this is the Face Shop Rice Water Bright Cleanser. You can see I have only this much of it left. Sadly, Nykaa has always out of stock on this one. I don't know when they're going to bring it back. Love, love, love this one. It is a magical cleansing water, literally. I mean, the way it just cleanses your face, takes off all the dirt. Even if you have, even if you don't step out of your house, if you clean your face with this one, you will definitely see a lot of dirt on your face, and you're like, oh my, I had so much dirt on my face, like what the hell. This is amazing. If you have not tried it, I highly recommend you. Please buy this. You will not regret it. You will never ever go back to any other cleansing product post this. I'm telling you that. Finally, I have a perfume that I have loved, and this is by Yves Rocher. This is a Lavender Petite Grain EDT, and this I got from Paris, but you do get this in India, of course. I saw this in Shoppers Stop. An amazing perfume. It's like fresh. It's like a fragrance I've never smelled before. It's fresh, but it's not sweet, it's not fruity. It's absolutely like meadows, you know. It's really nice and fresh fragrance. So I've literally, I mean, I used to use it very little, you know, thinking that I will not get it in India. But now that I know I'm going to get it in India, I have kept this right on my vanity, and I spray this before leaving my house. Absolutely love it. It is quite long lasting as well. It is not over the top very strong fragrance that everyone else around me chokes to death. But this is amazing, amazing. If you are fond of fresh fragrances that just uplift your mood, I highly recommend you this Yves Rocher EDT. So that was it about my best of 2017. I really hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I have done filming it for you. And the one thing that I think, you know, we really lack even now are good blushes. Like, I could not really get a good blush in the market that I think I really love and enjoy. But if you know, I really want companies to come out with more blushes now. So that'll be all anyway for today's video, and thank you so much for watching this one, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Till then, all of you take care. Mwah. Bye.